Hello, in this video we will be learning about closed frequent item. In item set X is closed frequent item set only if X is frequent and no immediate superset of X has same support as X. We are given certain transaction and minimum support count threshold 5 items. That means because we have 5 different items A, B, C, D, E. So these are the different item sets which we had done earlier, that if there are 5 items, then total number of item sets will be 31. Now these are one item set, then two item set, then three, then four, and then five. So we first of all count in how many transactions these items are. So we count A is in 5, B is in 7 transactions, so we write 5 and 7. Similarly, we compute these values for other, say B, D, E. This is B, this is B, and this is E. Actually, E is in 7 transactions, but in this transaction we do not have E. So there are total 6 transactions. Like for ABD, here 5. So we have support of ABD as 5. Now once we write the support of all them, then we just check if the value of support is greater than equal to minimum support. If it is, then we write them as frequent. So wherever the value is less than 5, we write infrequent, and for others we write frequent. Then next step is to calculate whether they are closed or not closed. For an item set to be closed, the condition is it should be frequent. That means definitely this should be F, and then so wherever it is infrequent, we can directly write not. So what we have to judge is if it is frequent, then check whether it is not closed or closed. So the first condition is X is frequent, so we'll be checking first only for those items which are frequent, whether it is closed or not closed, and for all infrequent items we have already written now. The second condition is no immediate superset of X has same support as X. So let us check for item A. Superset of A is AB, but the support of A and AB is same. So A is not closed. Then for B, the support of B is 7, but some other item BD is 7. That means it is having the same support, so it is also not closed. Then C is infrequent, no need to check. Support of B is 10 and we nowhere have 10. So that means it is a closed item set because no superset has support having 10. So it is closed. Next, we'll check for these frequent items E and AB. Support of E is 7, and then 7 here is for BD. This is for ED. So E and ED, that means to immediate superset of E is having the same support. That means E is not closed. Then AB is 5 and superset of ABD. This is also 5. So it is also not closed. Then this is infrequent, already not closed. Then AD. AD support is 5 and 5 here is only because it should be frequent as well. So it we do not have 5 here, that means it is also not closed. Then these are infrequent, then BD 7, and then we don't have 7 only, it is only for DE and nowhere 7, and so it is closed. Then for BE6 we do not have 6, we have BE here, yes. So BE here also we have BE and it is also frequent, so BE is not closed. Then these were infrequent, so we have marked them as not. Then DE. DE is 7 and we do not have any item set that has 7, so definitely it should be closed. Then for infrequent we already write not closed. Then ABD. ABD is frequent and then we have only one frequent item set and that is BDE. So that means we do not have support equal to 5 and so it is marked as closed. Now all these are infrequent, so we don't need to check this is frequent, and then we do not find 6 anywhere and frequent items at anywhere, so PDE is also a closed item. Next is how to find out maximal frequent item set. An item set X is maximal frequent item set only if X is frequent and no immediate superset of X is frequent. And we have this equation where M is a subset of C and C is a subset of F. So in order to find F, we will only check for C. Now, whichever data set item set is closed, then that only could be maximal. But this D is having closed, but it is not maximal because what we want is no immediate superset of X is frequent. We should not have any superset of X that is frequent. But then there are several supersets of X like AD which are frequent. So it is not maximal. Then this is also closed, but BD superset should not be frequent. But we have BD here and it is frequent. है ना? So if ADB and this is also frequent, so that means this BD is also a not maximal. Then we have ABD as closed. Let us check because here we have only one frequent and that does not contain ABD, all three items. So this closed will be a maximal frequent item set. Next, all these are already not closed and first condition is that it should be closed. So we'll check for this EDE and all supersets of EDE will be from this and they are all infrequent. So definitely this BD will also be maximum. So we have two items only as maximal and five items are marked as closed and we had 11 frequent items. Thanks for watching the video.